Children, yesterday I explained about the Heron's formula application in quadrilaterals and we discussed problem number 1, 2 and 3. Today I am going to teach you the problem 4 and the remaining problems. Children, see the fourth question. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. So these is ABC is a triangle and BCD is a parallelogram. So these two figures are having same area. If the sides of a triangle are 26 centimeters and 28 and 30 centimeters, a parallelogram stands at the base of 28 centimeters. So this length is 28, 26 and 30 centimeters. So I need to calculate the height or the distance between the two parallel sides of the parallelogram. So here I am taking ABC and ABC is a triangle. Let ABC is a triangle with the sides AB equal to 30 centimeters, BC is equal to 28 centimeters, AC is equal to C is equal to 26 centimeters. Now clearly it is an isosceles triangle, so I am taking semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, 30 plus 28 plus 26 by 2 is equal to 84 by 2 is 42 centimeters. Semi-perimeter of the triangle is 42 centimeters. Now by using Heron's formula, area of a triangle ABC is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That's equal to 42 into 42 minus 30 into 42 minus 28 into 42 minus 26. That's equal to 42 into 12 into 14 into 16. So this 16 I am bringing outside, that is 4 into 42. I can write 7 into prime factor 7 into 2 into 3. This is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 2. So this 42 I am writing 7 into 3 into 2, and 12 I am writing 2 into 2 into 3. 3 to the 6, 6 to 12, 2 3 the 6, 6 7 the 42, and 14 7 into 2. So this 16 I am taking out of the square root, that will be 4. So 4 into, how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 2's. So I am taking, so these two, from these 2's I am taking out of the square root, means 1 2 will be out, and here also same 2's, and here 3 is there, 3, and also 7 here. I am taking all out of the square root, so that's equal to 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3 is 48, 48 into 7 is 336 square centimeters. I got the area of this triangle 336 square centimeters. Now BCDE is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, and clearly given that area of triangle and area of parallelogram are equal. Now I am taking base of a parallelogram is equal to 28 centimeters. Now area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. So that base is, I am taking BC into H. I don't know H, that is CD I am taking, is equal to, clearly we know both is equal to area of triangle ABC. So that implies BC value is 28 into CD is equal to 336. Now CD is equal to 336 by 28. So after simplification, 2 14s are 2 168s are 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 2 4s are 7 1s are 7 12s are. So CD is equal to 12 centimeters. Therefore, height of the parallelogram is equal to 12 centimeters. So see children, once again, here a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base at 28 centimeters, and these two areas are equal. By using that area, and I have to calculate the height of the parallelogram. So before that, I am going to calculate area of triangle ABC. By using Heron's formula, I am going to get an area of 336 square centimeters. This triangle area is 336 square centimeters. Now this triangle area is equal to the total parallelogram area. We know the formula of area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. I know the base. 28 into height is equal to 336. After simplification, I am going to get CD is equal to, that is height of the parallelogram, equal to 12 centimeters. Children, next question. A rhombus shaped field has a green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of a rhombus is 30 meters and its longer diagonal is 48 centimeters, then how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? So here I am taking A, B, C, D is a rhombus. It is a rhombus shaped green field. And in this 18 cows are present, and how much area does each cow get? The side of the rhombus is given 30 centimeters. In a rhombus, all the four sides are going to be equal 30 centimeters. And one of the longer diagonal that I am taking, BD is a diagonal, and its diagonal is given 48 centimeters. Now I need to calculate the area. So in a rhombus, the diagonal divides it into two congruent triangles. So here ABD is one triangle and BCD is one triangle. I am going to calculate the area of ABD, and that I am going to equate to this one by using Heron's formula. So here the fifth solution is ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, and side of a rhombus is equal to 30 centimeters. Diagonal of a rhombus is equal to 48 centimeters. In a rhombus, diagonal divides it into two equal triangles. So therefore, area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle BCD. Now I am going to calculate the area of the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, A equal to 30 centimeters, B equal to 48 centimeters, comma C is equal to 30 centimeters. Now by using Heron's formula, I am going to calculate the area of the triangle. Before that, I am going to calculate semi-perimeter of the triangle ABD. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That's equal to 30 plus 48 plus 30 by 2. 30 plus 48 plus 30 is equal to, I am going to get the value 108 by 2 is equal to 54 centimeters. So now by using Heron's formula, area of a triangle ABD is equal to square root of S into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. That value is equal to 54 into 54 minus 30 into 54 minus 48 into 54 minus 30 under root. Now 54 square root of 54 into 54 minus 30 is 24 into 54 minus 48 is 6 into 24. Now here 24 I am taking out the square root. 24 into I am taking this 54, 6 into 9 into 6. So here again 2 6s and 9. That's equal to 24 into 6 into square root of 9 is 3. 24 into 6 into 3 is equal to 432 square meters. Square meters. Now this is the area of the triangle ABD. Now the same way area of the triangle BCD is equal to 432. Area of triangle BCD is equal to area of triangle ABD. That's equal to 432 square meters. Now I want area of a rhombus. Area of a rhombus equal to 2 into area of triangle BCD or sum of these two triangles ABD plus BCD. That's equal to 2 into 432 is equal to 864 square meters. Now the area of the rhombus is 864 square meters. Okay, I got the area of the triangle. Now the number of curves are also present there. So I need to calculate how much area does each curve is going to get. Number of curves is equal to 18. Now area of grass field per curve is equal to area of a rhombus by total number of curves. That's equal to area of grass field is 864 by 18. 2 9s are 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 2 2s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are. That's equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12 and 3 8s are equal to 48 square meters. Each curve is going to get an area of 48 square meters. Each curve will graze of grass 48 square meters. So this is the answer. Children, once again you see ABCD is a rhombus shaped grass field and in this 18 curves are present. I have to calculate how much area does each curve is going to get. And side of rhombus is given for 30 centimeters and one of its diagonals I am thinking it is 48 meters. Now according to rhombus properties, a diagonal divides a rhombus into two congruent or equal triangles. Now here ABD is one triangle and BCD is one triangle. I am going to calculate the area of triangle ABD by using Heron's formula. I am going to get an area of 432 square meters. And it is 432, automatically BCD area is also same 432. I am adding these two areas. Now I am going to get area of the rhombus, that is 864 square meters. This total rhombus area is 864 square meters. Now in the question it is given total number of curves are 18. Now I need to calculate how much area does each cow is going to get. That's equal to total area by number of cows. Then I'm going to get an area of 48 square meters. Each cow is going to get an area of 48 square meters. Children, the sixth question. An umbrella is made up of stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors. See the figure here. This is an umbrella and it is stitched with 10 different colors. It is one color, it is one next. So here these three are with blue color and these two are with black color. In the same way, back side also it will be there. And each piece length measuring 20 centimeters. It is 20 and it is 50 centimeters. Now I need to calculate the area, how much of cloth of each color is required to prepare an umbrella. Here umbrella is having two types of cloth. Okay, each cloth how much I required. So here the lengths are given 20 centimeters and 40 centimeters. I have to calculate the area of the area of the umbrella. So here this is the sixth solution. In umbrella, each triangular piece is an isosceles triangle. Because if it is 50, then this is also 50 centimeters, because these two lengths are going to be equal. Isosceles triangle with sides 50 centimeters, 20 centimeters and 50 centimeters. So therefore A equal to 50 centimeters, B is equal to 20 centimeters, C is equal to 50 centimeters. By using Heron's formula, I am going to find semi-perimeter of a triangle first. A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 50 plus 50 plus 20 by 2 is equal to 120 by 2 is 60 centimeters. As well I got. Now by using Heron's formula, area of a triangular piece is equal to under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. That's equal to 60 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 20 into 60 minus 50 square root. 60 into 60 minus 50 is 10, 60 minus 20 is 40 into 10. That's equal to so here two tens are there, I am taking 10 out, then that will be 60 into 40, 6 4s are 24, or 10 into 6 into 10 into 4. So here 10 and 4. So 10 into 10, square root of 4 is 2 under root of 6. That's equal to 10 the 100, 100 into 2 is 200, root 6 square centimeters. Okay, this is one triangle area. That means this area of the triangle is 200 square root of 6 square centimeters. Total how many pieces are there? Total number of triangle. Since there are 10 triangular pieces, therefore each color of a triangular piece is equal to 10 by 2, because there are two colors. equal to 5. I'm going to get each color 5. Now area of the total area I'm taking, total area of each color is equal to, how many are there, number of pieces, 5 into 200 root 6 is equal to 5 to the 10, that is 1000 square root 6 centimeters. So that means blue color is going to be 1000 square root 6 square centimeters, and the black color is also same, 1000 square root 6 centimeters. So children, once again I am saying, here it is an umbrella, and umbrella is made with two different colors. That means the strips are of two different colors in a triangle, and the lengths are given 50 centimeters, 20 centimeters and 50 centimeters. Because it is an isosceles triangle, so opposite adjacent two sides are going to be equal. Now I am thinking it is an isosceles triangle. By using Heron's formula, I am going to calculate the area of this triangle. So the triangle value is 200 square root 6 square centimeters. The total number of strips in both the color strips are 10. Now each color strips is going to be 5. All are going to be equal. So 5 strips of each color I am going to get. Now each color area I want. Each color area is equal to total number of strips of color of one color into area of one strip. That's equal to 5 into 200 square root 6 is equal to 1000 square root 6 square centimeters. Children, we have studied about the how to find a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base, and I need to calculate the base and the height also. Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, trapezium areas we have calculated and we have discussed. So in the next class we will continue the same applications. Thank you.